Hello, good morning, students. And now let us have a look over the problems on dehydration of alcohols. Right, students. So I have selected the problems on dehydration of alcohol. Here is the first problem. I am taking first problem. What is there, students? This is the compound is there, students. OH group is there. You are treating with the concentrated H2SO4. Okay, and 443 Kelvin you have taken. Okay, then you are doing the dehydration. They are asking the write the product and mechanism, right? So dear students, if you see the product, okay, if you see the product, that will be loss of water molecule because dehydration is there. So minus H2O will be there, students. And if you are writing the product will be something like that, student. Okay, this is, so that is here is 1 2 3 4 5. This is the pentane. Okay, pentane 2 all is there, and that is it is giving what paint 2 in. It is not giving the paint 1 is. This is the major product. Okay, possibilities is also there that it can give this compound, but this is the minor product. Okay, according to Sedgwick rule, this is the paint 1 in is minor product. May paint 1 in is minor product. Let us have a look over the mechanism, then you try to understand. It is the mechanism is like that. Okay, so mechanism always involve 3-4 steps, student. So first one is the protonation. Okay, so how can you be able to understand the protonation? Here is the OH group is there. This is having the lone pair electron. Okay, and if you are reacting with the HSSO4, so what will happen? This lone pair electron will attract this one, and this will be shifting here. So it will form that is protonated alcohol, that is OH2, and this is the positive charge, and here will be the what HSO4 minus. Okay, here what will happen? Here is the loss of water molecule will be taking place. This bond will split, and there is will be the loss of water molecule will be taking place. So here will be the carbocation. This is the 2-degree carbocation that is forming. Now what is happening? This 2-degree carbocation, whatever we got here is student 2-degree carbocation. This compound if you are writing, because we have to remove the we have to treat with the HSO4 minus. So what is happening, students? This is the CH3 group. Here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is hydrogen, here is CH2 group, means here is hydrogen is there. Possibilities is there. The firstly it is attacking on this position. Okay, so what will happen if this base is taking proton? So it will shift like that. So what the compound will be forming, student? This compound will be formed. So it is pent. This is pent meth 8 pro but pent, pent 2 in. This is pent 2 in. This is a major product. Now another possibility is there, that is in this compound the the base can take this proton. Okay, the base possibility is there that this whatever the base is there, HSO4 minus, it can take this proton and this bond will shift, and that is pent 1 in will form. This is the pent 1 in. So dear students, what we have to do, pent 2 in and pent 1 in. Two things are there. Okay, pent 2 in and pent 1 in. But what we have to understand in this case, that is according to Sedgwick rule. Okay, this is having the 2 alkyl group. Okay, this is having only 1 alkyl group. So Sedgwick greater the alkyl group, greater the number of alkyl group, or alpha hydrogen, or what they are saying is to or alpha hydrogen, greater is the stability. So you can check out, student, where is the more alkyl group. 2 R group is here. Here is only 1 R group. So this is the minor product, student, and another this one is the major product. So this is our required answer, student. Let us have a look over the one more mechanism, student, and then you try to decide that is what would be the product of the mechanism. Okay. So let me write the question. Question number 2 is there, students. Question number 2, what the question is all about. Here is the OH group. Okay, here is the this group. Okay, and here if you are treating with the concentrated H2SO4 443 Kelvin. Okay, something the temperature is higher temperature. So what the product they are saying, student, where is the product, what the possibilities of product will be there, student. The product is something this. Here is methyl group, here is methyl group, this is the product. Okay, this is 2,3-dimethyl pentuene. This is the 2,3-dimethyl, 2,3-dimethyl. This is the pent 2-ene, 2,3-dimethyl pentuene. Right. Now, students, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5. So 2,3-dimethyl pentuene. This is our the product. Now, and this is the 2,3-dimethyl dimethyl 2,3-dimethyl pentane 2 all. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2,3-dimethyl pentane 2 all. Now we are going to have the mechanism. Right. So how can you be able to write the mechanism, students? How can you be able to write the mechanism? So dear students, mechanism means that is protonation will be there in the first step. So this compound is there, students. Okay, and here is this is the OH group. Here is the lone pair electron. If you are treating with the HSO4 minus, so this lone pair will attract this proton. So what the compound is getting formed, students? This is the OH2, and here will be the positive charge. Here is the like this. Okay. Now, students, in this case, what will be happening? Loss of water molecule minus H2O. So this bond is split, and 2-degree carbocation is getting formed. So you can see how the carbocation is proceeding. So here is the positive charge will be there, student, carbocation. Here is methyl group, here is methyl group. So this is 2-degree carbocation, 2-degree carbocation. Possibilities, the what they are, student, possibilities there, that is the here can be the hydride shift. Okay, here can be hydride shift, because here is 1, 2, 3. Here is hydrogen is there, students, in this position, because here is 1, 2, 3 bond are there. So here is definitely what will be there, student, hydrogen is there. Okay, and we know that is 2-degree carbocation is more stable than 3-degree carbocation more stable than 2-degree carbocation, and which is more stable than 1-degree carbocation. This is the 2-degree carbocation. Possibilities what they are, student, that it can form the 2-degree carbocation. So what will happen? This methyl group, this hydride group will shift here. Okay, so there is the hydride shift will be there, student. This is known as hydride, hydride shift, right? If you know proper, you can have the open structure, then you can be able to understand easily. So if there is hydride shift, students, so what will happen? See the compound this. So now the positive charge will develop where? Here is the positive charge. Okay, and this is the 3-degree carbocation, 3-degree carbocation. 3-degree carbocation, from here, that is deprotonation will be there, student. So 2 condition is possible here, 2 condition is possible. What are the condition are possible? This is the positive charge. Here is HSO4 minus is there. here is the base, student. Where is the base? You can see here is 1 2 3, here is hydrogen is there. Okay, here is hydrogen. So in these steps, so firstly, if suppose you are attacking on this, so this bond will shift here. So what the product you are going to get here, students? There is the double bond, here is methyl, here is methyl. Okay, so it will come how much, student? That is 2 3, this is 1 2 3 4 5. So it is coming 2 3 dimethyl. This is coming 2 3 dimethyl. And then what is there? A pent 2 in 2 3 dimethyl pent 2 in. Now one more condition is possible. What is that product is possible? Here is this is the positive charge, and possibilities is there, that is here is whatever the hydrogen is there, student. Okay, because there is also hydrogen that I mentioned here in the previous diagram. So it is possibility is there, that is HSO4 minus base, it can attack this one and this will shift. So what the product is going to be formed, students? The product here is formation will be like that. Here is the double bond 1 2 3 1 2 3 4, that is correct only. So the possibility is this product may form. Okay, this product 1 2 3 4 5. So that is 3 4 dimethyl, 3 4 dimethyl. What will come, student? Pent 2 in. But this is not correct. This is absolutely not correct. This is absolutely not correct. 3 4 dimethyl pent 2 in, absolutely not correct. Why? The Sedgwick rule is saying, that is Sedgwick rule is saying, more the number of alkene, more the number of alkyl group, more the stability. This is one alkyl group, this is one alkyl group, this is one alkyl group, 3 R group are there. Okay, 3 R group. Now let us check for another. 1 alkyl, 2 alkyl, 3 alkyl, 4. So this is 4 R group. So this is the more product, this is the major, and this is the what is that is what is the known as, student, minor product. Okay, so this is the our reaction products, right? Now let us have a look over the next problem, students. Okay, so I am writing the problem here, student. You try to understand this question also. Now I am having this compound. Okay, lone pair electrons are there, and they are taking, you are treating with the concentrated H2SO4 and 443 Kelvin. So they are asking the product. I can write here the product name, student. Product is something here. This is the product. Okay, but how this product obtained, that we have to write in the mechanism. Okay, so let us write the mechanism. So mechanism, if you are saying, this is the this is the OH group, here is the methyl group, right? If you are attacking what HSO4 minus, so what will happen? This lone pair electron can absorb this. So what will happen, student? This is the OH2. Okay, OH2 here will be, but here is HSO4 minus will be there, and it will be the positive charge, right? Now secondly, what will happen? This will be splitting out. So deprotonation will be there, and 2-degree carbocation will form. Okay, so here is this is the positive charge. 2-degree carbocation is not that much stable compared to 3-degree carbocation. So what will happen? Here will be the methyl shift, dear student. Methyl shift. Total this methyl group is going to shift here. So that 3-degree, this is the 2-degree carbocation. Now it is 3-degree carbocation will form. So how 3-degree carbocation will form? You can see out here. This is the positive charge here now, and here is the methyl group, CH. No need to write the methyl group, simply you can understand. Okay, this is the methyl group. Up, dear students, what we can do? So now we have to remove the deprotonation. Okay, deprotonation. So two product is possible, student. Two product is possible for deprotonation. See, this is the positive charge. Okay, and here is the hydrogen is also there, so it can react on the HSO4 minus to absorb this proton, and this will be shifting here. So this product is the major product, student. Why I am saying major product? Because the number of alpha hydrogen will increase, or there is a alkyl group or more. Okay, so this is what is the major product. Dear student, there are n number of the questions are there based on this dehydration of alcohol, which we will try to do in the later on. Thank you so much for watching, dear student. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.